Let's see what we have next. Oh.
What is it on? I don't come in to try and work anybody, but forget the hype. If it's on, then it's on. I'll done a man's done, then I'm gone, then I'm gone. Skin daddy boss. When I'm on. I just come to the back with the gal, them hotel pop off the phone, then it's on. A little bit of high grade. Champagne in the sea. Not very long. Said we need some more girls in here. A couple Chantels and Chanels in here. Let me get buff ting, galley, rude boys, send it on this. Too many. I'll salute any man, salute any.
How can you be a king when you roll through anywhere? Wiley, you don't roll through anywhere. I go anywhere, fam, I'm never scared. You said you rep E3, but you're never there. So let me mark this.
Mic check. Mic check.
Next year, next July.
Karibu.
Look at ini Lamborghini.
Ini Lamborghini lights.
Ini Lamborghini.
The sons of the Most High. Ducati. Well, what? Mr. Corsa. 2 times TT winner, FP Washiro.
Unajua hiyo engine? You know that engine? 1GZ. You know it?
525. Very nice, Mr. Down.
So let me mark this guy. It's all in your name, fam, I don't need to lie. I take away the W, I take away the fix up the other letters, all we do is just lie. Chat shit, talking like barn, it's a joke. Got some bonnet guys moving keys of coke. Got some niggas on Dolly's Valley that ain't scared to pop. Running right outside the had the old madness. Wiley, you need to chill. Any around me, if I keep it real, and God knows, if I ever made a meal, still be doing shows in my hood for a bit.
Lakini tafuta ka refreshment kidogo.
Naona Konza 001.
Ini Lamborghini.
Ini Lamborghini lights.
Ini Lamborghini.
Wacha tuone. Mr. Director him.
Fast and hard.
Hiyo nitakuandikia.
Loud, fast and hard.
Nitakuandikia hiyo.
That's why they're breeding hate. Ain't ever had a greasy blade. I got the streetsy mate, boy, better start speaking straight. And when I say I roll with the dog,
Trust me, that's I don't mean nades.
and when I tell a man
Me at 7,
trust me, cause
I don't mean 8.
From MSG Performance. The only person in the Shatuma Golf. Very nice. Golf Farju. On Sereni. We're here courtesy of Motorsports.
Hebu saidia rafiki yako apate kiholder. Swali ni kati ya
was ready because this one will be an interesting race. Shikilia ngoma
hawataki
copyrights. Ushikilie muziki. Something to drink.
Nairobi Street Kitchen.
Exactly. Na mambo itakuwa maridadi. Si ndio?
Ready? Haya. Golfari inakuanga drive. Golfari is all. Haya, karibia nikuulize swali. Peter Motorsports Kenya. Yeah.
Yo, check one, check two. Wanna rob me? Hold tight, you. Open a boot. Whack man up, go home. Play Xbox, drink Thai food. Bare waist man wanna diss my tune. Same waist man wanna live in my shoes. See me spitting bare deep bars on YouTube. Now they wanna try to diss me, but you don't know me though. Heard my bars on the Road Deep show. Now I'm so much better like Snacky though. You're a jackass just like Steve-O. Wanna know about me? Here we go. Half Yoruba, half Igbo. I would ask you to pay attention, but you ain't got no pedo. I'm going to damage your ego. Wanna run down BMX like Devo. Run up in your house, punch in the face, box your head at Pro Evo. Shorty wants to play me, so yo, blood, send the control. Pass the parcel like Dizzy Rascal. Round, round, round we
and
go.
I'm back with a vengeance. Everybody freeze when I make my entrance. Make it fully stop like an end of a sentence. But if I'm there, you can check my attendance. Wasn't a crew, but now independent. I got the traits of a Spartan descendant. Swing my bars like a chain with a pendant. Come with the force of a 4-liter engine. Was that an indirect? Who's sending?
Send
Yeah, I
it.
said it. Who's sending? One mic clash. Watch, let me end it.
What?
Like John Terry, I'm top with defending. You ain't no match, man. Stop there pretending. So many new flows I'm inventing. Flow so dirty, I swear it needs cleansing. I've been established for a long time. Your application still says pending.
Yo, something like gender. Free some my big money sound investor. Got couple skank man friends on my end phone. West Green, Appleby, Tiverton and Ida. Big bars lick off your head like cider. Rich to go faster than you ain't got lyrics. I got bars, they got gimmicks. So why should I care about this baseman rhymer? 24/7 I'm a all day grinder. Light up a nigga, no match, no lighter. I'll send a man so high in the sky that you won't come down and your friends won't find you. Actually man can't chat to me, do a better tune. Skank man mode and get back to me. Actually Frisco's the batch of the primer. I be the best in 6 a week grinder.
For my Kenyan over there, we have made it, brothers and sisters, yeah? Though we are going far, this is just the starting point. Let's look forward and we will make it. Thank you very much. These congratulations, they are going to you.